Thank you all. Good morning to everyone. Respected Mr. IT Minister Sridhar Babu Garu, respected Sanjay Jaju Garu, Secretary Minister, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, respected Dil Raju Garu, Mr. Biren Ghosh, Mr. Ashish Kulkarni, the great Basi Reddy Garu, Sridhar Garu, our hero Teja Sajja Garu, and Senthil Garu, Mike Garu, and other distinguished guests, dignitaries, delegates, sponsors, members of the media, and to all these wonderful people who have come on Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Good morning and a warm welcome to India Joy 2025. I am Rajiv Chilaka, founder, CEO of Green Gold Animation, president of Twaga, co-chair of FICCI AVGC XR policy. And it's an absolute honor to welcome all of you on behalf of Twaga and the government of Telangana to the 8th edition of India Joy, Asia's premier media and entertainment conglomerate. Twaga stands for Telangana VFX Animation and Gaming Association and is a non-profit body working to strengthen the AVGC ecosystem in our state. 2025 marks a year of acceleration for our entire M&E industry. According to FICCI M&E report in 2025, India's media and entertainment sector grew 8% last year to reach total revenue of around 2.7 lakh crore, with TV and digital together contributing nearly about 70% of the total revenue. The animation and VFX segment alone grew by 25% and it is projected to cross 20,000 crores by 2027. India now has over 600 million OTT viewers and connected users, having surged 87% in just 1 year. As families shift to larger screens, viewing habits are evolving. Animation has become a shared family-driven experience rather than just a kid's format only. And these numbers show the sheer market potential fueling this transformation, not just in India, but across the globe. All these proves one thing. India has transformed from being a service destination to a true content global powerhouse. Today, we are creating stories that represent India globally with world-class talent, technology, and imagination. Let me give you a brief overview of India Joy 2025. India Joy is a celebration of creativity, technology, and collaboration, bringing together the best minds in animation, gaming, and VFX, and digital entertainment. This year, we are very proud to host 12 cluster events: VFX Summit, Cinematica, Desi Toons, Asifa India, OTT Pulse, Frames and Codes, Creator Street, AMD Game On, Dream Hack, Comic Con, Waves Bazaar, and our brand new Indian film market. We are truly honored to have the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting as our supporting partner, and we specially welcome Mr. Sanjay Jaju, Secretary, Ministry of INB, as one of our key guests this year. Our event is powered by our sponsor AMD. They continue to support India Joy and also serving as a presenting sponsor for the VFX Summit, powering innovation and storytelling through cutting-edge technology. We also extend sincere thanks to our valued partners, AHA and Waves Bazaar, whose collaboration strengthens India Joy's growing network of creative and industry leaders. This edition marks a special milestone with the launch of India Joy's first ever B2B initiative, the Indian Film Market, organized in association with Producers Bazaar. It brings together film producers, OTT platforms, and content buyers from across the country, marking the start of a strong B2B foundation for India Joy's future editions. We are also very proud to partner with Waves Bazaar, which hosts the first ever Waves Animation Bazaar at India Joy. We celebrate the Waves Create in India Challenge Season 1 winners and welcome 8 promising startups at the Waves Pavilion, each representing the next generation of India's creative entrepreneurs. And rounding off the week's highlights is the IFFI Roadshow led by Mr. Sanjay Jaju, featuring renowned producers and directors from across India. Together, these initiatives position India Joy not just as a creative festival, but as a global platform for innovation, investment, and industry collaboration. Let's use these days to connect, collaborate, and co-create and showcase to the world that the future of entertainment truly begins here in Telangana and in India. Thank you, everyone, and I wish you an inspiring, successful India Joy 2025. Thank you.